Today, we will continue working our best trading strategy combined with our best trading indicator. We will again focus on top-down analysis to find out great entry locations. Lastly, we will discuss how we can make better entries. If you are good to go, let's start now. Let's talk about how to read the markets using only hourly candles and how to understand the price action from those high time frame candles in a deeper way. You already know how to spot POI areas, points of interest, by looking at multiple imbalances, swing failure patterns, or some support resistance flip zones. This is the easy part. Now, what we need is that eagle vision, the ability to read the price action clearly just from higher time frame candles. So let's say the price drops into your POI area like this, with huge red candles forming one after another, showing massive downward pressure. That usually means sellers are completely in control here, and the buyers are too weak to push back. This is a clear sign of a strong downtrend at the moment. And if you also notice large bearish imbalances forming in that same area, that's another clue that we are still in a solid downtrend. Buyers aren't responding at all. They can't even fight back against the seller pressure. Now, the first sign that sellers are losing strength comes when you start seeing those big rejection candles with large wicks. Some traders call them hammers, others call them pin bars, but in price action we refer to them as swing failure patterns, SFP. That basically means buyers are starting to step in. They're reacting to the selling pressure and giving their first pushback. Then when you start noticing strong green candles breaking upwards, it is a signal that sellers are finally weakening and buyers are trying to regain the control back. If the price keeps breaking new highs candles after one another, that's a good confirmation that buyers are now taking the control and new uptrend is beginning. However, sometimes you will see a double swing failure pattern or two pin bars or two hammers appearing on opposite sides. That usually means there's a big conflict happening in that zone. Buyers and sellers are both fighting hard for the control, and it might take a while before the market decides who wins that battle. For example, let's take a look at this chart on one of the early time frames. If you notice, we've got a really strong imbalance area that connects perfectly with a clean support and resistance flip zone. However, if you pay attention to the most recent price action, you will see that the price is crashing hard with massive red candles. It keeps breaking structure one after another, showing no signs of seller weakness yet. Buyers simply can't step in or respond at the moment. Now, if you drop down to the lower time frames, like minute-based time frames, you can clearly see the price action here too. The bears are creating new break-off structure moves one after another. It is a clear downtrend, and there is no sign of buyer response yet. Let's have a look at this example. Again, we have a clear POI area in the middle and a big crash into our entry zone. Then a swing failure pattern forms, followed by huge green candles breaking the structure by taking the highs. That's the moment sellers start to lose control fully and buyers take over. It is a clear sign of a strong buyer momentum. And when you zoom in even further to lower time frames like 5-minute chart for example, the price action becomes crystal clear. Right at our POI area, the market structure flips, and then multiple breakout structures following, pushing the price higher and higher, starting a solid uptrend in the lower time frames. Now, in this example, things get a bit tricky. You've got both strong bullish and bearish imbalances happening at the same time. And both sides have swing failure patterns as well. This is the clash of titans, buyers and sellers, the big fight, the big war. If you focus on this area, you will notice that for about 6 hours, the price stays stuck in the range, caught between this battle of buyers and sellers. The outcome of this kind of fight is usually uncertain. Either side could win. It is completely out of our control. We just don't have enough data to know who will take control yet. So in this video, you've learned how to read price action by only focusing and using the high time frames. Okay friends, end of a great and educational video. Please stay safe and see you in the next video. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.